Good morning, everyone, and welcome back from hopefully a relaxing holiday break. This is our first Central Office video short, and I'm hoping you find some value in this video and those that will follow. But first, let me thank everyone for taking the time to complete the survey that was sent out before we went on holiday break, asking for topics for these videos. We had over 200 teachers provide insights into what's important to them and what they want to learn more about. There were many great suggestions for these videos, and we will work to get as many of these topics covered as possible. For this particular video, I want to share a Google tip that I think will save many of our teachers time when it comes to formatting fonts. If you're like me, you probably didn't know you can change the default font in Google. I love Google, but there are so many things between Google apps and extensions and Google add-ons that I sometimes miss some of the more simple things like this one. And I'm sure there are many people that probably already knew this and have been using it for years. But I just recently learned that you can change the default font in Google Docs, and it's already saved me some time. It's actually really simple to do. So if you didn't know how to do this already, here's how you do it. Start by opening a new Google Doc. Arial 11 is the default font, and I don't really like it. But until now, I didn't think there was much I could do to change that other than selecting all of my text and changing it that way. But there's actually a better way. I'm selecting Verdana. Why Verdana? Well, a few reasons. First, Verdana is the official font of the Garnet Valley School District. I bet you didn't know Garnet Valley had an official font, but it does. Verdana is also ADA compliant, meaning it can be read easily by screen readers. And because it was originally developed to help read text on small computer screens, it's perfect for reading digital text. With your new doc open, start to type anything you want. Highlight the text, go to Styles, hover over Normal Text, and select Update Normal Text to Match. Step 2, highlight your text again. Go back to the Styles menu, go down to Options, and select Save as my default font. Now when you open a new Google Doc, your font type and size is now the default. You can follow these same directions to change your default heading styles as well. I hope this video helps save some time the next time you're using Google Docs, and keep a lookout for our next video in the Central Office video short series.